is proud to introduce FIREX, the hot application system. Here is the FIREX kit. Held in an elegant aluminium case come trolley, it contains a user manual, a certificate of guarantee to fill in and send after purchase, an anti-static cleaning cloth, a rubber mat for the pliers. The FIREX control unit is available in 5 colours: black, white, silver, red, pink, a power cable. Application pliers to connect to the control unit. A black leather work bag. The 100% natural hair colour chart with 85 nuances, natural colours, highlighted, fantasy and chatouche effect. A professional brush. Sol gel and special pliers to remove locks, 6 separator discs. And 20 locks for training. After plugging in the machine, insert the FIREX pliers connector into the main unit, placed on the right-hand side. Remove the protection from the tips of the pliers. Turn on the main unit using the main switch found at the back. Turn on the pliers using the switch placed inside them. Turn on the display using the central switch on the front part of the unit. After the She welcome message, the selected temperature will appear on the display. It's possible to vary the temperature from a minimum of 50 degrees to a maximum of 150. We recommend setting the temperature at 130 degrees by using the plus and minus keys. The client would like longer, thicker hair with the colour effect obtained by mixing intense copper nuances with very light blonde. Remove the locks from the packaging and place them on the comb-like holder found on the accessory trolley. Start by parting the hair in 1 cm thick sections. Section off the rest of the hair using pliers and clips and select a lock using the tip of a tail comb. We recommend cutting the keratin. Insert the lock below the natural hair lock about 1 cm from the scalp and melt the keratin using the pliers. Make sure that the client's hair lock is positioned exactly in the middle of the keratin. Model and seal in a keratin wrap. Using the tip of the heated pliers, melt it in order to bond the hair. Using the same method, continue on the upper parting which goes across from the tip of one ear to the other. Continue lock by lock along the whole parting until you complete the line, alternating copper locks with blonde locks. Repeat the same procedure on the parallel line that goes from ear to ear. Make a vertical parting in the middle and section off the hair behind to work on the hair in front. Section off a parting that goes from the middle parting to the hairline at the temples, about 1 centimetre from the tip of the ear. Divide the locks into two to make them thinner. Apply the locks on this parting and on the parting above by inserting the blonde locks in the middle of the parting. Repeat the same procedure on the opposite side. To give a wavy finish to the length and tips and to obtain soft, well-defined locks, we use the Glam Iron and the THP product. Join and trim the locks thus applied using the hair cutting scissors. To remove the locks, use the pliers and the Sol Gel remover liquid. Lift a lock and apply a drop of the remover on the keratin bond. Use the special pliers to press down gently in order to allow the product to penetrate and dissolve the keratin. At this point, run your fingers through the lock extensions using circular movements to gently remove the broken up keratin. Using a fine-tooth comb, clean any remaining residue. After removing the locks, we recommend using Quattro For You products to wash the hair.